Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a custom-made indexing table. I know a lot of you are familiar with these for all kinds of packaging applications, and somebody was working on this to create a small vacuum filler. You'll see the nozzles under here. They're actually attempting to fill 12 at a time, and the project never completed or was dismantled. It is a 4-foot diameter table, as you can see, indexing with a Camco drive. It has a DC controlled motor. There are 32 stations around as you see it configured right now. Each one of those holes in the holders are about 3/4 of an inch, and there are 6 of them per unit. There's a lot of extra parts and whatnot with it, but we're selling this just for the indexing table itself, and as many of you know, these are something that you want to build your packaging system around this. We have several of these in our stock under our packaging miscellaneous category. So click on packaging from the home page on the main menu, and then you'll see the subsets of various areas of packaging open up, including miscellaneous, where you'll find this unit with all the regular specifications we have for it. We've tested only the main drive, but it's well built, as you can see, very heavy construction, and it's working well. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.